Greetings, welcome to FreeCrunch. At FreeCrunch, we will explore free and open source software dedicated to crunching statistics. So that's free and open source software, free, and that's crunching statistics. Some free and open source software that you've probably heard about that crunch statistics include R and Python. Also, free and open source software spreadsheets found in free and open source software Office applications like LibreOffice and OpenOffice. We will explore these free and open source software data crunchers on this channel. This channel is not a statistical education channel. We will not be teaching statistics. It assumes the viewer understands the statistics that they are seeking with the software. Rather, we're just going over how the software crunches the statistics. As such, there might be two groups of people that are interested in the channel. The first are newbies, people that are new to statistics and beginning their career in statistics. They could be in a college course for the first time, and they're looking for some software that crunches the stats. There's no better place to start than free and open source software, so it's a course for newbies. Also, veterans, people who have been using proprietary software throughout their careers, like SAS or Stata or SPSS, and they want to migrate their software to free and open source software like R or Python. So veterans migrating may find this channel helpful as well, and at least initially, getting up and running. And that's it. That's what the course is about. It's using free and open source software to crunch statistics. Welcome aboard, and I look forward to you in the videos and the comment sections at FreeCrunch.